Let's face it, AI is taking over, and having AI respond to your reviews automatically is going to save you a lot of time. The review responses are awesome. They will literally read the comment of your review and they will post a review on your behalf. This does use credits. Be sure to check out your credits. When you go into the settings and the reputation management, this is where we passed over the review AI. You can turn off the AI where you won't get suggestions. You can get suggestive help on adding reviews and responses, or you can now do what's called auto responses. This means it will send review responses automatically. As of right now, there needs to be some textual content into the review so that way it has something to reply to. So if they just leave a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5-star review with no comment, you're going to want to manually go in back to your reputations and respond to those reviews directly. You can set your sources to your Google and Facebook. Down here, you can see auto responses. Do you want it to respond to all of the reviews or only the positive reviews? You can set this to respond to any star review that you select. I'm selecting all because we found that this thing is awesome. We also set a wait time. So they leave a review. There's also a wait step for the system to reply to the review. You can wait in terms of minutes or hours. The response footer, this is like a signature that would go into each review. I leave this blank because I like what the autoresponder is automatically doing. But you can add a thank you at the end of every response. Think of it as a footer, like a signature to every review response. Once you select save, so inside the review, you'll see that it is replied by reviews AI. So that shows the signature that this review was responded to using the review AI. This review said 5-star, they do good work. Thank you for your positive feedback. It responds by their name. We strive to provide excellent service, and it's great to hear that you're satisfied with the work we do. We appreciate your kind words and look forward to serving you again in the future. Would that be something that you would have said in responding to review? I don't know about you, but Reviews AI is doing a great job. Let's take a look at one more. This is Matthew. Thank you for time. I appreciate your info and how quick you were to get me a quote. Thank you. Have a great day, Monty. This is AI Review AI response. Thank you for your kind words, Monty. We're delighted to hear that Matthew provided you with information and prompt service. It was our pleasure to assist you with a quote. If you have any further questions or plumbing needs, please feel free to reach out with us. Have a great day. This is the Review AI automatically done for you. Time saving so you don't have to go in and reply to everyone. And your Google business profile looks great because you're responding, so Google is loving you. Just remember there's 3 ways that you can respond to reviews. You can reply by typing in your own reply. You can select AI reply to allow AI to create a response for you. Or you can now use Review AI with your credits and having your review replies automatically done for you thanks to Review AI.
Oh,